So this video, I'm going to give a quick update on the new shop. It's coming along pretty good. Next, I'm going to show you a trick for running wires through handlebars, motorcycle frames, stuff like that. And our website, www.onehornlarrysgarage.com, is up and running. There's a section on projects, a link if you want to get a t-shirt, all kinds of stuff on there. We'll be adding more, just getting the site going, but here's where I need your help. I want to start out a subscribers rides. So click the contact us button. It'll send me an email, attach pictures of what you're working on, any cool cars, anything you got. So send me that. I want to get that going on the website. And here's the update on the shop. We've got the shop up. The roof is on, all shingled. Soffits, fascia are on. We're waiting on the metal for the side, and garage doors are on back order for another month. So got the windows and doors, other than the garage doors obviously in. And let's go inside. And there she is, still a mess. Got the vehicles and the new snowmobile in here. Hopefully another month or two we'll have it insulated, because it's I think the highs this next week are like in the single digits. So hopefully before long we'll have the siding on, garage doors, and insulated. Start running electricity. Got a lot to do. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm using here for a tripod for shooting my video. It's a jack handle with a Menards phone holder stuffed in it. Can't find my tripod since the move. So you'll have to excuse the mess. I'm working out of the two-car garage here until the shop's done. So I made a makeshift handlebar, but the lamps I built, here's some pictures of some of the lamps. The lamps I built are kind of the same theory. It's about a 1 inch, 3/4 inch diameter pipe like handlebars. You got to feed wires through to run the lights. So what you can do is take wax string, you buy it on a spool, cheap. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to be blowing air wherever you want the string to come out. For instance, if I want to run a wire to this handlebar over here, over to this hand grip, I'm going to cap off this side with I'm using a cap because it's black iron, but you can use a rag or tape or anything. And then grab some compressed air. Make sure you got plenty of loose on the roll. There you go. String comes shooting out there. But you got to make sure that there's no open holes in between. Wherever you want the string to come out, has to be the last spot for the air to come out. So let's say that we needed to run to the other handlebar now. Cut that off. When you're ready to feed the wire, tie it on there, pull it through. So now, let's say we need to go to this side, cap off that side so the air can't come out. Get you some more string. Same thing, hold the original string. And there's that. So now you got string out both sides. Like that. So that's just a pretty cool trick. Try it out sometime. I used it when I built the very first picture, beginning of the video, the chopper. I built that many years ago, probably 20 years ago. First project I ever did, full project. Here's some more pictures of it. There's also pictures on the One Horn Larry's website, so check that out. Again, send me your cars with a little explanation. I can put a little blog in there and start a subscribers ride blog. So check that out. If you need to buy AMSOIL, www shop.oilsforenthusiasts.com. That's my AMSOIL business, Cranford Synthetics, as seen on the side of the panel van. So until next time, hang in there, build some cool stuff, shoot me some pictures of it. We'll add it to the site and keep this thing rolling.